Hello, everyone. Welcome to our webcast on EMVCo collaboration with global technical bodies. My name is Bastien Adjé. I'm the EMVCo Director of Technology, and today we will provide you with a short guide to some of the technical collaboration that takes place across the world between EMVCo and multiple organizations involved in payments, security, and specifications. Let me start first by providing a quick introduction to EMVCo's role. To put it simply, we enable millions of seamless and secured card-based payment worldwide. This is important because consumers today expect a payment device to work anywhere in the world, whether for face-to-face payments or making a remote payment online. The process must be familiar, convenient, and reliable for the consumers and business making payments, and also for the merchants accepting them. EMVCo plays its part in making this possible. But we don't do that alone. Collaboration runs through EMVCo, and we work with many partners from across the world when developing the EMV specifications. Merchants, issuers, acquirers, payment networks, financial institutions, manufacturers, technology providers, and testing laboratories contribute their knowledge and expertise through collaboration with EMVCo. We engage with regional and global organizations to receive input and share perspective on areas of respective interest, both directly and through other member bodies. Industry stakeholders from across the world have significant influence on the work of EMVCo, actively participating in regular EMVCo advisory and technical meetings to develop, enhance, and evolve the EMV specifications. This is just a snapshot of our work around the world and some events where we've recently engaged with different audiences on multiple educational sessions. As I mentioned, EMVCo doesn't work in isolation on a technical level either. EMVCo engages with other key industry groups to ensure interoperability from all forms of EMV payments, including contact, contactless, card or mobile devices, payment tokenization, 3D secure, and secure remote commerce. By working with other bodies, we ensure compatibility of technology and support market convergence. For context, let's address what EMVCo means when referring to specifications. Global bodies like ISO set high-level rules, known as standards, to ensure compatibility. However, at an application level, this can offer too much flexibility when a product is implemented, which could result in it not working seamlessly. EMVCo, therefore, works with the industry to define and document additional technical rules which ensures seamless use of payment product regardless of who manufactured or issued the payment product. EMV specifications are publicly available for use by any organization, and all payment industry stakeholders are invited to contribute to the development of EMV specifications and provide input to EMVCo. EMVCo does not define the business rules, that is, how the product is used. EMVCo just defines the basic technical functionalities. On screen is a typical specification development process. It might look complex, but it's important to understand that payments technology continues to advance, and innovation in card-based payments is critical. Active engagement and collaboration with the payments industry is key to EMVCo proven model for creating, evolving, and promoting globally adopted specifications that support innovation and address marketplace needs. And as you can see here, there are a variety of ways for payment stakeholders to participate in the specification development process. These include business and technical special interest meetings, the SIMs, where new specifications are being developed and major updates are being considered. A request for comments enabling EMVCo associates to review proposals and a disposition of comments being published to summarize the responses. The release of all draft EMV specifications during their development for public consultation. Voting by EMVCo advisors to approve the release of a new or a major update to EMV specifications. And last, the EMVCo queries, whereby an associate, subscriber, or member of the public may ask a question or provide a comment or other input related to an EMV specification or draft specification. Over 100 of organizations, including merchants, issuers, acquirers, payment networks, financial institutions, manufacturers, technology providers, and testing laboratories, contribute their knowledge and expertise to the development of EMV specifications. So let's take a brief look at some of the recent technical collaboration between EMVCo and other industry players, including all such work is helping merchants, their partners, and their customers to accept payments seamlessly and securely, wherever customers are based and whatever payment method they choose to use. First, we'll look at some of our collaborations, technical collaboration across e-commerce. EMVCo has worked extensively with FIDO Alliance to enable secure authentication in a scalable and interoperable manner across the payment ecosystem. FIDO data is being used in EMV 3D secure messages to promote a frictionless payment process for consumers and reduce fraud. We are also exploring functional biometric testing principles for EMVCo's CDC-VM initiative. EMVCo also works closely with W3C to enhance security and interoperability of web payments. And together with FIDO Alliance, we formed the Web Payment Security Interest Group and launched a paper detailing how EMVCo, FIDO, and W3C technologies relate. We also engage in close collaboration with PCI Security Standard Council, PCI SSC, to ensure global security, whatever the payment technology used. We align with PCI to ensure continuous improvement of the PCI terminal security evaluation based on EMV specifications, including ECC security, as part of ongoing discussions on post-quantum risk. PCI also manages the security evaluation process for the EMV 3D secure software for online transactions. Now let's look at some of our technical collaborations across face-to-face payment environments. EMVCo and GSMA liaison has been put in place to guarantee the interoperability of mobile phones when used for contactless payments. EMVCo Level 1 approval is key for mobile phones. EMVCo has been working closely with NFC Forum to align the Level 1 digital and analog specifications. The objective is to ensure that there are no conflicting requirements between the two bodies and that testing is also optimized by limiting duplication where possible. Elsewhere, EMVCo and Global Platform regularly share specifications for mutual comments to support interoperability. Together, we also achieved a new specification to simplify and bring greater trust to the authentication of digital services on smartphones and biometric-enabled cards. EMVCo and Global Platform also ensured efficiencies by utilizing the same evaluation labs for both bodies for Trusted Execution Environment Evaluation, TEE. EMVCo is also involved in different technical collaboration with specific industries and global regions. Fraud presents a significant challenge to the travel industry in particular. EMVCo worked extensively with IATA and travel technology company Amadeus, supported by input from the wider travel industry to ensure that the data required in the 3DS message extension align with the current systems and best practices. The resulting message extension was designed to exclusively meet the specific needs of airlines and travel agents to immediately reduce transaction fraud, while minimizing additional friction during the purchase experience. EMVCo is now advancing the document to expand the travel industry message extension to include data that support hotel and car rental e-commerce payment transactions. In the US, EMVCo collaboration with USPF is enhancing our understanding of local payment market needs and issues, which will help ensure specifications such as EMVSRC and EMV3DS support local requirements. In Europe, we work with many bodies, including the European Payment Council, to expand EMVCo understanding of the views of the European payment service providers. Collaborations such as those with US and European bodies help to ensure that EMVCo specifications support the different requirements of their geographies. I will end now just by looking at our technical working partners feel about collaboration across the industry. We and our partners value the relationships that we have formed to enhance technical collaboration that benefits the payment industry. We are grateful to organizations like FIDO Alliance and W3C for their continued support. We also recognize the importance of sector-specific and regional-specific technical collaboration and are pleased with the impact such technical collaboration is having in these areas. To find out more about technical collaboration with EMVCo, please visit our website and download our quick resource guide on collaborating for seamless and secure payments. Connect with us as well on social media to stay up to date with the latest from EMVCo. And of course, if you have any question, you can submit it using the query functionality on emvco.com website section Contact Us. Thank you for listening.